Hi, boys and girls. I'm up here in the corner. We're going to have to start today just by looking at me up here and not at that paper on the screen. First, I want to get your brains a working with rhyming words. I'm going to give you two words. If you think they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. That's because the end sounds the same. It's the same word chunk back there. If they do not sound like they have the same word chunk, give me a thumbs down and let's see how you do. Here is our first two words. The first two are bus, Gus. Bus, Gus. Thumbs up, they both end in us. The next one, day, play. Day, play. Thumbs up, they both end in A. Here's the next one, owl, zoom. Owl, zoom. They do not rhyme. The next one, back, flack. Back, flack. They both end in ack. Here's the next one, nose, rose. Nose, rose. That's a thumbs up. They both end in O's. Here's the next one, shy, gone. Shy, gone. Nope, they do not rhyme. Here's the next one, race, red. Race, red. Nope, they both start with R, but they do not end the same. Next one, time, dime. Time, dime. That's a thumbs up. They both end in I'm. Here's the next one, hear, fear. Hear, fear. They both end in ear. And the last one, seek, summer. Seek, summer. Nope, they don't rhyme. Good job, my friends. Now you can move your eyes to our paper here. I already have this great big blue line up here because for the pictures that we hear the long U sound, we'll circle them in blue. The ones where we hear the short sound, it'll be in orange. So let's look at our first one. You know what shape this is. You can see that it takes up space. There's the 4 sides, but the 6 faces. It is a cube. Cube. Did you hear the long or the short U there? Cube. If you said long or blue, you got it right. Here's the next one. Duck. Duck. Blue for you, orange for duck. If you said orange, because it's the short sound, you're right. Oh, here's the calendar for the very next month. June. 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 Make your guess. If you guessed long, you are right. Here is a nut. 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 Long or short? If you said short, bam, bam, you got it right. Oh my goodness, this one's going to be 2 words. Dump, truck. Dump, truck. They both have the same U sound in there. Long or short? Dump, truck. If you said short or orange, you got it right. If this fruit was colored purple, it would look better, but it is a plum. 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 If you guess short, you got it. This girl's playing an instrument called a flute. Flute. Ooh, this one could be tricky. Flute. What do you think, long or short? Flute. If you guessed long, you got it. Flute. You hear the U in there. And this is a mule. Mule. Oh my goodness, you can hear me say it. Mule. He is a long U. So friends, I hope you're able to give yourself a thumbs up with this activity. Cube, June, flute, mule all have the long U. Duck, nut, dump, truck, plum all have the short U, which is the sound. Good job, my friends. I hope you enjoy the read aloud.